Big up Mr. Powell.
Big up Mr. Powell.
Hey guys, what's up? Come here, we'll show you something special. Walk with me. Because we're parked on the roadside and we don't want to take from the people. Alright, so one of our customers told us to bring the package to them here at their office, but they had to make a quick move. Nobody else is at the office, so what they asked us to do is to leave the package with the fruits man that is across the road. Pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. If you live good with people, if you have the fruits man at your office, so you can leave the package with. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to drop out this package to the fruits man. You look at him and hesitate, you know. You don't want to go to the fruits company, you want to see you? I'm a mask. It's alright, cool. Here you go. Alright, no respect. Guys, that's it. Deal him up now, big him up now. Big up Mr. Powell.
Big up Mr. Powell.
Alright, Mr. Powell, we drop off your package. We're here in downtown Kingston. Big up yourself. We love how you live good with the fruits man in there. See it? We're going to drop off your package and everything good. Alright? You like the video, woman?
Yeah.
Everyone I'm going to like the video, woman. We don't know what I'm going to get somebody else to my video then.
No.
Alright, big up yourself. Alright. Guys, click on the link, join us today. Alright, get your packages, ship from overseas and deliver to your doorstep or to the fruits man here in Jamaica. Alright, big up on yourself. Downtown Kingston, enough respect.